Hello and welcome to Byte Banter. In today's episode, we'll be talking about one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving fields in technology, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. We'll be discussing what AI is, its various applications, and its potential impact on society. AI is a branch of computer science that involves the creation of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that usually require human intervention. This includes tasks such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and understanding natural language. At its core, AI relies on neural networks, which are computer systems modeled after the human brain. These networks consist of multiple layers of interconnected nodes, each of which is capable of processing data and making decisions. Hey there! So, what are some of the most exciting applications of AI that you're seeing today? We bet you didn't know that. Well, there are many different fields where AI is being used to great effect. One of the most significant applications of AI is in the field of healthcare, where it's being used to diagnose diseases, predict patient outcomes, and develop new treatments. We're also seeing AI being used in the field of manufacturing, where it's helping to optimize production processes and improve quality control. And of course, AI is being used in the field of finance, where it's being used to analyze large amounts of data and make better investment decisions. Another exciting application of AI is in the field of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are being developed that use AI to navigate the roads and make decisions about how to drive. Hey there! With all these new applications of AI, what are some of the ethical considerations that need to be taken into account? We bet you didn't know that. One of the biggest concerns with AI is that it's being developed and deployed without enough consideration for the potential social and ethical impacts. For example, we need to be careful that AI doesn't perpetuate existing biases or create new ones. We also need to ensure that AI is transparent and accountable, so that we can understand how it's making decisions and ensure that it's making them fairly. Despite these concerns, the potential benefits of AI are enormous. From improving healthcare outcomes to increasing productivity in manufacturing, AI has the potential to revolutionize many different fields. Hey there! What are some of the key technologies that are enabling the development of AI? We bet you didn't know that. There are a few key technologies that are really driving the development of AI. One of these is machine learning, which allows machines to learn from experience and improve their performance over time. Another important technology is natural language processing, which allows machines to understand and respond to human language. AI is also being used to create virtual assistants and chatbots, which can help people with a variety of tasks such as booking appointments, answering questions, and making recommendations. What role does data play in the development of AI? Data is absolutely crucial for the development of AI. In order to train machine learning models, we need large amounts of high-quality data. Data scientist, this data needs to be properly labeled and categorized so that the machine learning models can learn from it effectively. However, it's important to note that collecting and using this data also comes with ethical considerations, such as ensuring privacy and consent of the individuals whose data is being used. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it's important to consider its impact on society as a whole. This includes issues such as job displacement and the potential for AI to amplify existing social and economic inequalities. What do you think the future of AI holds? The future of AI is incredibly exciting. We're already seeing rapid advancements in the field, and there's no doubt that AI will continue to play a significant role in shaping our world. However, as with any new technology, it's important to approach it with caution and consider its potential impact on society. That's all for today's episode of Byte Banter. We hope you enjoyed learning about AI and its various applications. Be sure to tune in next time for more fascinating insights into the world of technology.